Welcome everyone to the Instructors channel. Here we are again for our weekly video.
This week's topic is instructional design. We'll be talking about definition, 7 characteristics of instructional design, and ADDIE. And first things first, what's the definition of instructional design? Well, it's a system of procedures for developing education and training materials in a consistent and reliable fashion. Let's get into the 7 characteristics of instructional design. First of all, it's student-centered, so there's active and intentional learning happening. Goal-oriented, creative, focus on meaningful performance, that is, we look for a congruence between learning environment and the setting in which the actual knowledge and skills will be displayed. Outcomes are assumed to be measurable, reliable, and valid, so we're looking for behavior, skills, knowledge, or attitude. Empirical, iterative, and self-correcting, meaning data collection throughout the process let us self-correct the design. And finally, this requires a team effort. A designing team made up of a subject matter expert, an instructional designer, project manager, and obviously the sponsors, primary and secondary stakeholders all working together. A wide variety of instructional design models have been generated since the 1970s, and most of them consist of 5 phases. That's why ADDIE is so popular. Actually, it's based on a systematic product development concept, and it's a paradigm that refers to the family of models that share a common underlying structure. So what does ADDIE stand for? Analyze, conducting, and need assessment. Design, writing objectives, specifying learning activities and media. Development, preparing materials. Implementation, delivering the instruction. And evaluation, formative and summative. ADDIE is not a linear step-by-step model. No, it's not. It's actually portrayed that way because it's initially the best way to understand it. Its nature is iterative and self-corrective. And actually, on the same note, this depiction of instructional design model is much more representative of what it is.
Thank you for watching this video. Please leave your comments and suggestions for future topics below. We'll answer to each of you. And before you go, do subscribe to the channel right now. You don't want to miss any upcoming content. See you next week, and in the meantime, we'll leave you with 2 other videos that you may consider watching as well. Happy training, instructors!